Alright guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm doing here with these wheels. Haven't mentioned anything yet, I don't think, to you guys, but I'm going to let you in on a little spill. So as you could tell, this is the original wheel, you know what I'm saying, BMW style 66 wheels. These are the rear wheels, of course. They're a bit wider. They're about 9 inches, I believe, wide. Might be about like 9 and change realistically, but regardless, these are the wider wheels in the front. I'm going to be running all rear wheels around my car, so that way it has a more aggressive look, and it'll just be honestly a lot more flush, a lot more clean of a look overall. So what I want to do though, to make it a bit different than what you typically see, I'm going to paint them. I'm going to paint them a little bit of a different scheme than what you'll typically see on these cars, because of course they'll normally be just that silver, and that silver is old. Like, it's not old in style, I'm saying it's old as in like literally just aged, you know what I'm saying? Paint gets faded, breaks, getting hot and cooling down, all of that sort of stuff, right? And then just typical wear and tear. So what I'm gonna do is change up the scheme. I'm gonna two-tone these wheels and make them look real nice, or at least I hope so, but I truly believe it'll give a nice little look to the car. So yeah, so right now this wheel is untouched. This wheel is sandblasted, so you can see, should be able to kind of tell how this one's a bit more almost glittery because of the texture of the metal, but of course it's down to the metal, so you can kind of tell. Get the camera a bit closer here. Hopefully this picks it up nicely. I'm filming on my GoPro, so a little compact setup. But yeah, this face here is all sandblasted, so what I'm trying to do, I'm just gonna sand it down to smoothen it out and get it ready to get primed up. It won't take too much work. You know how it goes, you got to put some time in order to achieve good results. So we're gonna get straight to it. I've already taken care of 3 of these wheels. This is gonna be the 4th, so y'all are a bit late to the party, but at the same time you're not late at all. By the time this releases, you know, the wheels will pretty well be in the next stage, so you're no further than me. So I'm not entirely sure when next you guys will see the wheels. I don't know if they might be primed up, then you'll see them, or I don't know if I might have one of the parts of the face painted before it gets the second coat done. We'll see, but I just figured I'd show you guys the beginning stages, that comparison, so you can kind of tell exactly, you know, the difference. Sandblasted, original paint, and a little bit dirty. So yeah, we're gonna try to bring these things to life, make them look real nice and different, because the paint scheme I'm going with, I've never seen before. It's definitely been done before, it must have been, but at the end of the day, I haven't seen it on roads. I can't search it up on Google, so in my eyes it's going to be something rare enough, you know, at least for me, you know, make my car look different. So, and if you guys haven't seen the car, this is the car right here. So we're trying to make that look, you know, showtime. So you guys can kind of scheme up your ideas, your plans, what you think it might be. But you know me, I'm gonna get straight to work. Let's get it.